This video will show you how to create a shipping request form to a domestic recipient. Once you have your DX user ID created, and you're going to click on Prepare Domestic and International Express Shipments. From there, you'll navigate to the Prepare Express Shipment page that looks like this. This section has information about you. This section will be where we'll enter the recipient information in. Over here you can choose whether or not you have one or more packages. If you have a mailing list, you can select that information here. And you can look up previous shipments here. Now to enter your recipient in, you just type their information into the fields that you see here. Or you can select from the global address book by just clicking search, as you can see I'm doing here. Or you can go to your address book and get results from that. You can also filter your results by entering some information in the search for recipient field and clicking search, and that will reduce the amount of results that you get back. Once you find your recipient, just double click on it and the information will pre-populate into the fields. If you have a residential address, you're going to make sure that this checkbox is selected. And if you've manually entered this information into these fields, these two checkboxes allow you to save to either the personal address book or the global address book. This third checkbox is defaulted as checked so that the recipient will receive the tracking information for this shipment once it actually leaves the building. This last checkbox can be checked to receive vendor updates on your package process. So once you've validated all information is correct, click Next, and you'll be navigated to the Billing and Service Options page. This area here shows your billing information with your charge code. So this is the charge code that will be sent over for billing reconciliation. If you need to change that, you can click on Change and make those changes here. Focusing your attention on the shipment options, you'll choose which service that best meets your package requirements. If none of these satisfy your package requirements, you can come over here to the Premium Services and click to open that section. And this is a good point to talk about the fact that these headers are collapsible. So if you see something that doesn't have any information in it, you can simply click it to open it. And this shows the premium service options that are available for you to choose from. This section allows you to type in notes about your shipment that you might want to remember for a future need. This information also prints out onto the SRF. Declared value is utilized if your package requires additional coverage. And if that is the case, you would just enter the value into this field here. If you require a signature for the delivery of your package, you would focus on this section here and make the appropriate choice. Assuming everything is good, you click Next, and you'll be brought to the confirmation page. If everything looks good, you can click Next, and the system will then create the shipping request form, and it will open a print dialog for you to go ahead and print that shipment. Once that's printed, click on Done, and you'll be brought back to the Prepare Express Shipment page.